Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salvina Failadani with student number 241-304-2007. Here I want to tell you about morphology and word formation. So morphemes is a word which is contained of one or more morphemes. Then for the example is cats. Cats has two morphemes, cat and s. Then the second example is reading. Reading have two morphemes, read and ing. So a morpheme can be a root or an affix. An affix has two types. The first is prefix and the second is suffix. Prefix is in front of the root and suffix in behind the root. For the example is cats. Cats has two morphemes. Cat is the root and s is the suffix because s is in front. S is behind the root, and then unreal. Unreal has two morphemes. The first is and real. Un is the prefix and real is the root. And then morpheme can be a free or bound morpheme. Free can stand alone and bound morpheme cannot stand alone. For the example is cats. Cat and s. Cat is a free morpheme because it has meaning, and s is a bound morpheme because it has no meaning. And then the second example is unreal. Unreal. Un is a bound morpheme and real is the free morpheme because a free can stand alone and it has meaning, and un has no meaning and cannot stand alone. Then there are two types of morphology. The first is derivational morphology and the second is inflectional morphology. The first is derivational morphology. So derivational morphology is about making new words by adding suffix and prefix in a word. When we do this, we usually change the meaning, and sometimes the class words also changes. And then there are so many kinds of derivational morphology. Like the first is suffixable. Suffixable is changing the verb into the adjective. For example, is it. It is the verb, and if we put able, it will be eatable. Eatable is an adjective. And then the second is suffix r. Suffix r is of changing verb to a noun. So for the example is speak. Speak is a verb, and then if we put er, it will be speaker. Speaker is a noun. And then there is suffix full and less. It is a change noun to adjective, like careful and careless. And then there are the suffixes or and age. It is verb to noun, and then the suffix hood construct noun to abstract noun, suffix ness adjective to abstract noun, suffix ly adjective to adverb, and then suffix ing is noun to gerund. So inflectional morphology is about changing the form of a word to show a grammar, but it doesn't change the meaning or the types. For the example is tenses like present and past. For example is work, change into works or worked. And then plural, possessive like can's book. And then the last is comparison like big into bigger. Okay, now I want to explain about word formation. So there are so many kind of word formation. Like the first is affixation. There are three types of affixation. The first is suffix, prefix, and infix. Suffix is in behind, prefix is in front of the word, and then infix is in the middle. So for the example is unbelievable. unbelievable into unfreaking unbelievable. And then the second is compounding. Compounding is combining two or more morphemes to form a new word. For the example is tooth and brush. If we combine two these words into toothbrush. And then reduplication. Reduplication is repeat all of part of a word to create a new word, kind of. There are two types of reduplication. The first is full reduplication. Full reduplication is repeating the entire word, like bye bye, bye bye. It is the same word. And then the second is partial reduplication. It is repeating part of the word, like ma ma, ma ma. The difference of these types is for the reduplications usually always the same word, but the partial is not always the same, and usually like mama, ma is doesn't have any meaning. Okay, the third is conversion. Conversion is a zero derivation, so it is change the word class without adding any affixes. For example is book. Book is, as we know, book is a noun, but there is another meaning, like book can be a verb. Okay, and the fourth is blending. Blending is combining of two or more words to form a new word, like brunch. Brunch is from breakfast and lunch. Then acronymy and initialism. Acronymy is a word from the first initial letters, like for example is NASA, and initialism is also made from the first letter too, but we say each letter one by one. And then suppletion. Suppletion is the process where irregular forms of a word are created from completely different roots. For example is good into better, and then into the best. And then clipping. Clipping is a shortening a word by deleting part of it. For example is telephone. Telephone can be phone, or brother can be bro. Okay, that's all the material of morphology and word formation. I hope that it will be useful for you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.